morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
59, the last dialogues, I think so, no?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
From where,
Ma'am,
beta?
it's the
Good
middle.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
Mr. Lamb. On the fifth dialogue of Mr. Lamb. I am old.
Okay, fine. So, shall we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vijayalakshmi. Okay, beta, continue. Put the dates and continue.
Okay, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning.
I am old. You are young. You have got a burnt face. I have got a thin leg. Not important. You are standing there. I am sitting here. Where's the difference?
Yes, now Mr. Lamb, you know, he wants to tell Derry that there is no difference. You can, okay, and he wants to say that all human beings are same, like as he considers all plants, trees, they are similar, okay, whether it is a weed plant or a flower plant, he considers everything as same, and he says there is no difference. Why? Because all these things, you know, they have life in them, okay. And then he says, as you and me are same, as he and Derry, they both are same. But Derry, you know, he opposes and he says, no, we are not same. So what does Mr. Lamb? He tries to explain him. He says, okay, fine, I'm old, you are young, only this is the difference. And he does not think it as a difference, okay. And he says, you have got a burnt face, I've got a thin leg, it's not important. You are standing there, I'm sitting here, so where's the difference? Get the difference hai kahan? Why have you got a thin leg? Now Derry puts up the questions and now you read it up till the last. Read.
Real one got blown off years back. Lammy lamb. Some kids say. Haven't you heard them? You will. Lammy lamb. It fits. Doesn't trouble me.
But you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. They don't have to notice and stare.
Some do, some don't. They get tired of it in the end. There's plenty of other things to stare at.
Like my face.
Like crab apples or the weeds or a spider climbing up a silicon ladder or my tall sunflowers.
Thanks.
It's all relative. Beauty and the Beast.
What's that supposed to mean?
You tell me.
Okay. Now see,
You need.
he puts up a question, Derry, you know, and he asks Mr. Lamb, why have you got a tin leg? So Mr. Lamb, he says the real one, it got blown up years back. When he was in some war, the real leg, you know, it got blown up. And Lammy Lamb, some kids say, now he says that kids, you know, they tease me by the name Lammy Lamb. Haven't you heard them? You will lay me lamp. It fits, doesn't trouble me. Kehta, you did not listen them teasing me by this name, lay me lamp. Surely you will listen, okay? And the name, you know, it suits me. Lamp is my name and I'm lame, so they call me lay me lamp, okay? And it does not create any problem for me. So what does Derry say? But you can put on trousers and cover it up and no one sees. Okay. Why it does not trouble you? He wants to say that why it does not trouble Mr. Lamb, because he says that you are having a thin leg and you can just cover your thin leg by wearing the trousers. Okay. Nobody would see. They don't have to notice and stare. Okay. Nobody needs to notice it and nobody is going to stare it. Mr. Lamb, some do, some don't. Okay, some of them they stare and some they does not. They get tired of it in the end. There's plenty of other things to stare at. Now he says many people, you know, many times they keep on staring, but how long they are going to stare? Okay, how long? Up till when? He says, कितना लंबा, कितने समय तक घूमते रहेंगे? There are other things in the world to look at, to stare at. दूसरी चीजें भी तो हैं, कितना देखेंगे? मतलब he wants to say, I'm not worried. घूर रहा है, घूरने दो, पर कितनी देर तक? How long they are going to stare me or stare my tin leg? How long? Finally, they would be tired and they would turn their eyes somewhere else. Like my face, okay? जब वो कहता है दूसरी चीजें घूरने को, तो डैडी कहता है okay, like my face. तो मिस्टर लैम डाइवर्ज करते हैं उसका ध्यान, like crab apples or the weeds or a spider climbing up a silken ladder or my tall sunflowers. तो वो कहता है ये तो सब things हैं, okay? These are non-living things. Mr. Lamb, he says, but you know, all is relative. All are related to each other. Beauty and the beast. Beauty and the beast is beauty and the ugliness. All are related to each other. Derry says, what is that supposed to mean? What do you mean by this? Mr. Lamb says, you tell me what do you mean. Okay, you tell me. Yes,
You
Derry.
need you needn't think that they haven't all told me that fairy story before. It's not what you look like, it's what you are inside. Handsome is as handsome does. Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. Only he wouldn't. He had have
He would have
stayed
stayed
a sorry, ma'am.
monstrous.
He would have he would have stayed a monstrous beast. I won't change.
Okay, now he says, what do you think? I did not listen to the story of the Beauty and the Beast. I heard it from the people, from the family, and so on. It is not what you look like, okay? It does not depend on your external looks. It's what you are inside, means it depends on the internal looks. Handsome is as handsome does. What does this mean? Ki handsomeness is not the external appearance of a people. Okay, handsomeness is the internal beauty. How handsome you are doing the work means how beautifully you are doing the work, how beautiful thoughts you are having inside from your inner, okay, inner heart, how beautiful you are, how good you are. Beauty loved the monstrous beast for himself, and when she kissed him, he changed into a handsome prince. And then he says, of course, I've heard the story, you know, there was a beautiful girl and she loved the monstrous beast, that ugly beast she loved. And when this girl kisses the beast, you know, that beast, it changes into a handsome prince. Only he would have stayed a monstrous beast. Vikram Singh, what pic have you put here?
No, ma'am.
It should be changed. So now he says that he wouldn't have changed, he would have stayed a monstrous beast if that beauty wouldn't have loved him and wouldn't have kissed him. But I won't change. But with me, this situation, this position, it would never come. I will never change. Mr. Lamb,
In that way, no, you won't.
read up till the last. Hurry up.
And no one will kiss me, ever. Only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face. And I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to. Why should I like that? I don't care if nobody ever kisses me.
But do you care if you never
But
kiss them?
yes.
What?
Girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes, people you love.
Who had let me? No
Who
one.
would let me? Yes.
Who can tell?
I won't ever look different. When I am as old as you, I will look the same. I will still only have a half of a face.
So you will, but the world won't. The world's got a whole face and the world's there to be looked at.
Do you think this is a world? This old garden?
When I'm here, not the only one, but the world as much as anywhere.
Does your leg hurt you?
Tin doesn't hurt, boy.
When it came off, did it?
Certainly.
And now, I mean, where the tin stops and the top.
Now and then, in wet weather, it doesn't signify.
Oh, that's something else they all say. Look at all those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for themselves.
Okay. Yes, should I explain now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now in that way, no, you won't. Now if you are going to have this kind of negative attitude, surely you won't change, Mr. Lamb says. So Derry, he says that, and no one will kiss me ever. Now he says that there would be nobody who would kiss me and I would change like the monstrous beast. Only my mother, and she kisses me on the other side of my face, and I don't like my mother to kiss me. She does it because she has to got it. And he says that only his mother is there to kiss him. Why? Because she has to do it as Derry is her child. Okay. However ugly a child is, mother always loves her child. Okay. Whether a child is fat or thin, beautiful or ugly. Okay. Fit, physically fit or handicapped. Right? Dark or fair, whatever it is. Okay. A child is always loved by the mother, and mother, you know, she loves her child too much. And वो कहता है वो तो उनकी मजबूरी है, she has to do it because I'm her son. So a mother, you know, my mother, she likes me, she kisses me, but except my mother, nobody is ever going to kiss me so that I might change. Why should I like that? I don't care if nobody ever kisses me. And then then Derry, you know, he shows some attitude and he says, you know, I hardly care if nobody ever kisses me. But do you care if you never kiss them? Do you care if you do not kiss them? What? Okay, now Mr. Lamb, he becomes somewhat humorous and he starts kidding with him. Okay, थोड़ा बहुत मजाक करने लगते हैं. कहते हैं कि do you care if nobody is going to kiss you? What? Who he wants to? No. Mr. Lamb says girls, pretty girls, long hair and large eyes, people you love. Okay, if girls, they don't kiss you, pretty girls who are having long hair and beautiful eyes, and the people whom you love, if they don't kiss you, okay, do you care? Who would let me? Not one. Now Daddy says, who's going to kiss me? Not even a single person is there. Not even a single girl is there who would let me kiss her. Who can tell? Nobody can tell. Nobody can predict. Now Daddy says, I won't ever look different. Okay. Beast to change ho gaya tha, fine. But he says, I won't ever change. I won't ever look different. My appearance, it would be the same. When I am as old as you, I look the same. And he says that when he becomes as old as Mr. Lamb, then also he will look the same with the burnt face, half burnt face, all ugly. I'll still only have half a face. And at that time, many years back, when I would be old, he says, I'm going to have the half burnt face. Okay. And he says, then also he would be having this half burnt face. Understanding better?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you will, but the world won't. Of course, you are going to have half the face, but the world does not have half the face. Means he wants to say that the world, you know, it sees to what? It looks at both the sides of the coins. Okay, दोनों ही तरफ देखती है दुनिया. Okay, it sees the negativity, it sees the positivity, it sees the ugliness, it sees the beauty, everything it sees. Okay, the world's got a whole face. Yani the world is having a whole face means it sees at both the sides of the coins. You know, he accepts the ugly people also. There are so many people in the world, you know. It does not mean that each and every person in the world hates somebody who is not physically fit or who doesn't look beautiful. Okay. So many people are there who are ugly, but still they possess inner beauty and they are accepted everywhere. They are liked and loved everywhere. He wants to see. and the world's there to be looked at. And he says that there are so many beautiful things in the world to look at. Do you think this is the world, this whole garden? Now, Derry, he becomes somewhat upset and he says, oh, what do you think? This is the world, this whole garden. When I'm here, not the only one, but the world as much as anywhere. Now he says, when I'm here in the garden, it is the world for me. Ye meri duniya hai. Right? Anushka, what happens?
No, ma'am, it is by mistake.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
Does your leg hurt you? And then he changes the topic and asks him whether the leg hurts him. 10 does not hurt, boy. 10 means half of the leg. That is artificial. Na to kehta 10 does not hurt me. When it came off, did it? When your leg, it was blown off. Okay, जब पैर उड़ा था तब दर्द हुआ था. Surely, Mr. Lamb says, certainly. And now I mean where the chin stops at the top and where you join the artificial leg, okay, with the remaining real one, okay. तो उधर क्या दर्द होता है? Now and then, okay, कभी कभी होता है. He says in wet weather, especially in wet weather, okay, the cloudy weather होती है, it does not signify. Derry हो, that's something else they all say, okay. और फिर वो कहता है, of course it pains sometimes during the wet weather. तो वो कहता है कि oh, there's something else they all say. Means then he says that people and all, they say something. What do they say? He says that how do the people speak? What do they speak? Look at all those people who are in pain and brave and never cry and never complain and don't feel sorry for them. When Mr. Lamb says that, of course it pains, it hurts during the wet weather. So he says, oh, there are so many people who are in pain, okay, but still they are brave. They never cry, okay, and they never also complain, and they do not feel sorry, means they do not feel pity, okay, on themselves. यानी कितने लोग हैं जो पेन में होते हैं लेकिन उसके बाद भी ब्रेव होते हैं, रोते नहीं हैं, कंप्लेन नहीं करते और ना ही उन्हें अपने आप पर कोई दया आती है. Right? I haven't said it. Mr. Lamb कहता है, I did not say all such things. And think of all those people worse off than you. And then he says that think of all those people who are in bad condition. Okay. More than you, they are in the bad condition. Okay. In the worst condition they are. Think you might have been blinded. Suppose, सोचो कितना पेन होता है ना कि यदि आप blind होते और born deaf होते और have to live in a wheelchair, मतलब you might have been handicapped and all the life you have to spend on wheelchair, or be deaf in your head and dribble. Be deaf means you would have been mentally disturbed, mentally retarded, and dribbling. Dribbling is when the mouth it comes out, when the water it comes out from the mouth, है ना जो लार टपकती रहती है, the mouth watering. Okay, if this condition would have been, then he wants to say it means you're better than others. Okay, and that's all true, and you know it. Oh, Mr. Lamb कहते oh, it's all true. और तुम तो ये सब जानते हो. It won't make my face change. Again he comes to pessimistic talks. Okay, निराशावादी बातें करता कहता है anyhow all these things are not going to change my face. अच्छा, you have to read it ना. Read बेटा. I started reading. जल्दी read कर लो. Derry,
Yes, ma'am.
क्या
It
सो गए
won't
थे
make
or you went somewhere?
no, ma'am.
चलो लक्ष्य करो बेटा.
It won't make my face change. Do you know, one day a woman went by me in the street. I was at the bus stop and she was with another woman. And she looked at me and she said, whispered, only I heard her. She said, look at that. That's a terrible thing. That's a face only a mother could love.
Mr. Lamb,
So you believe everything you hear then?
It was cruel.
Maybe not meant as such, just something said between them.
Only I heard it. I heard.
And is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life?
Oh no, I have heard a lot of things.
So now you keep your ears shut.
You are peculiar. You say peculiar things.
Peculiar, okay.
You
Okay,
you
fine, fine.
ask questions.
हाँ बेटा,
You
continue.
ask you ask questions I don't understand.
I like to talk, have company. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to stop here at all. The gate's open.
Okay, now wait. And that is all true, you know it. Okay, now he says, but all these things are not going to change my face. And then he narrates an incident, what he heard the conversation of two women, okay, who were just standing nearby him. And he says, what did they talk about him? Do you know, one day a woman went by me in the street. I was at a bus stop and she was with another woman and she looked at me and she said, and he says, you know what happened one day as this Derry was standing at the bus stop, a woman passes by and one more, sorry beta, and one more woman was there with her. And then this woman, you know, she looked at Derry and what she said to another woman, only she whispered, matlab, though she spoke in a low, in a soft voice, but still it was heard by Derry, as Derry says, जैसा Derry बताता है. वो कहता है, only I heard it. She said, look at that, that is a terrible thing, that is a face only a mother could love. And she looked at me and she said to another woman, just look at him, you know, a very terrible thing, a very ugly thing, only nobody could love such a person, only a mother could love. So Mr. Lamb कहते हैं, so you believe everything you hear then, whatever you believe, you just trust all those things. It was cruel, okay? Derek says it was very cruel. It was not good of that woman speaking like this. Maybe not meant as much as something said between them. Maybe she did not mean whatever you are trying to make out, okay? Whatever meaning you are trying to take out from the conversation. Maybe she might be talking about some other thing. Maybe it might have been a talk between her and the other woman. Only I heard it, okay? लेकिन वो जिद करता कहता नहीं मैंने सुना था, okay? I heard it that she talked about me. And is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life? तो कहते only this thing. Was that the very first time you heard that woman talking about your face, or ugly face? Oh no, I've heard a lot of things. Why Mr. Lamb wanted to accept him, that he had heard many things and now, you know, all these things should not affect him anymore. समझ में आया? वो चाहते थे कि वो उससे कंफर्म करना चाहते थे कि क्या तुमने पहली बार ही सुना उस औरत को तुम्हारे बारे में बोलते हुए? तो उसने कहा no, many times I've heard lot of things. Why he wanted to get it confirmed, he wanted to make it confirmed. Yes, that was not the first time the woman had talked about his face. Okay, several times it had happened, and by this time, Derry should have been accustomed to such remarks. Okay, अब तक तो habitual used to हो जाना चाहिए था और उसको इन सब बातों को neglect करना चाहिए. He shouldn't have, है ना, felt bad about all such things. तो वो कहते हैं, oh no, I have heard a lot of things, so now you keep your ears shut, okay? अब इतनी बार सुना है, lot of things you have heard, so now, okay, keep your ears shut, okay? Oh, you are peculiar, you say peculiar things, you ask questions, I don't understand. Oh, he was not able to understand Mr. Lamb, okay? कहता है, you are very peculiar, you are very unusual, you are very strange. You speak strange things, you know, you ask questions that I do not understand. I like to talk, have company. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to stop here at all. The gate is open. Now, Mr. Lamb, you know, he says, Mr. Lamb, he says, of course, I like to talk. I like to be in the company of the people. I love to talk to people, okay? If you don't understand my questions, it's not compulsory that you must answer my questions, okay? Got it? And there is no need for you to stay here, to stop here in my garden. He says the gate is open and you may leave. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, we'll
Yes,
continue
ma'am.
on Monday. Okay, thank you, beta.
Okay, ma'am.
God bless
Thank
you.
you, ma'am.
Take
Thank you, ma'am.
care. Take